Combinations and permutations continue. Question number 1. Three persons enter into a railway compartment. In how many ways can they occupy 5 seats? Solution. So there are 5 places and 3 persons are to be occupied. So it is very simple question. So we can say it is 5p3, which will be equal to factorial 5 divided by factorial 5 minus 3. That is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by 2 into 1. 60 ways. Next question. A question paper is divided into 2 parts, A and B, and each part has 5 questions. In how many ways can a student answer 6 questions by choosing at least 2 from each part? So A and B, 5 questions, 5 questions. So possibility will be 2 questions at least from each part. So suppose 5 out of 5, 2 questions are chosen from part A. Then the remaining 4 questions are to be chosen from part B. So 5C4. Then next possibility, from A, 3 questions are chosen, 5C3. Then 3 questions are to be chosen from part B also. So 5C3. Then choosing 4 questions from part A. So 5C4 and 2 questions from part B, 5C2. So this will be possible answer. Now, let's see next question. If 189C35 plus 189CX equal to 190CX, then what is X? So what we can do, we can apply formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Here, if we compare directly, so here the first term 19, here N plus 1 is 190. So N plus 1 equal to 190, it means N equal to 189. Similarly, here if we observe, so R minus 1 will be 35. So R will be 36. So here in our question, here it is R equal to X. So X equal to 36, which is our answer. Now consider next question. The number of integers greater than 6,000 that can be formed from digits 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 without repetition is. So consider its answer. The integers that will be greater than 6,000 can have 4 digits or 5 digits. Now, 3 and 5 can't occupy first place. Otherwise, the integer formed of 4 digit will be less than 6,000. So we can say that out of 4 places, when we are considering 4-digit number, so this can be filled in 3 ways. Means 6, 7, 8 can occupy 6 or 7 or 8. Then when 1 digit is occupied, then the remaining 4 digits will fill these. So then 4, 3, 2. And for 5-digit numbers, any digit can occupy, because 5-digit number will be always greater than 6,000. So total number of ways will be equal to 3 times 4, 3, 2 multiplied by, here in case of 5-digit number, it will be accurate 5 because this is 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, and 1 way. So total 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that will, but here we can't multiply. Here there will be addition. So it will become 72 and it is equal to 120. So it will be 192 ways. Why addition? Because both are separate, 4-digit number and then 5-digit number, then total sum. So let's consider next question. Let Tn be the number of all possible triangles formed by joining the vertices of n-sided polygon. If Tn plus 1 minus Tn equal to 10, then what is n? So here Tn plus 1 minus Tn equal to 10. Now Tn equal to nc3 and Tn plus 1 equal to n plus 1c3. Since triangle is formed, so 3 points are needed out of n. That is why Tn equal to nc3 and Tn plus 1 equal to n plus 1c3. So we write this value here. So n plus 1c3 minus nc3 equal to 10. We know the formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. So if we apply that formula here, so N plus 1 C3 minus NC3 equal to 10 will give here we can break this n plus 1 C3 as NC3, NC3 plus NC2 minus NC3 equal to 10. So NC3, NC3 will cancel out. NC2 will be 10 and NC2 is n into n minus 1 divided by 2 equal to 10, which will give n equal to 5. So this is our answer. Let's consider next question. Assuming the balls to be identical except for difference in colors, the number of ways in which one or more balls can be selected from 10 white, 9 green, and 7 black balls each. Solution. There is one theorem that states that the total number of ways in which a selection can be made from P plus Q plus R objects, where P objects are of one type, Q objects are of second type, and R objects are of third type. So selection process or number of ways of selection is given by P plus 1 times Q plus 1 times R plus 1 minus 1. So here P is 10, Q is 9, and R is 7. So number of ways equal to 10 plus 1 times 9 plus 1 times 7 plus 1 minus 1, that is 11 into 10 into 8 minus 1. So 880 minus 1, that is 879. Which is our answer. Now let's consider next question. From six novels and three different dictionaries, four novels and one dictionary is to be selected and arranged in a row on a shelf so that the dictionary is always in the middle. The number of such arrangements is. So four novels can be arranged in factorial 4 ways. And selection of four novels out of six. Selection of four novels will be 6C4. And the selection of one dictionary out of three will be 3C1. So here 6C4 will give 15 and 3C1 will give 3. So total number of ways will be equal to factorial 4 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 3, which will be equal to 432 into 15 into 3, and that will come out to be 1080. Thank you.